This is my AM skincare routine. I begin by washing my face with this Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. I am not a morning person, so the simpler, the better. Then I follow up with either one of these, either the Kiehl's Super Serum or this Cocoa Kind Vitamin C. Today I'm going for the Cocoa Kind Vitamin C. Usually I will use the Kiehl's after I've used retinol the night before, because retinol can be drying, and the Kiehl's is very hydrating. And I feel like it plumps up my face. This vitamin C is to make my face look brighter. Now I'm going to use this Unique eye cream. Honestly, I think it's time to go back to my Rescue Serum. It's a depuffing serum I use because, oof, allergies have my eyes looking puffy. Then I finish up with this La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer with SPF 30. I apply a big glob all over my face, my neck, and whatever's left over goes on the back of my hands. And this is what my skin looks like in natural lighting. Hope you guys enjoyed.